Hello guys, you're welcome again to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a high performance website for all kinds of investments. Alright, so in this particular video, I'll be showing you all of that. I'll be showing you the working of the website, both the user dashboard, the admin, and the overall working of the website. Okay, so it's going to be a step-by-step process. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do it to subscribe and make sure you smash the notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. I promise you, are going to enjoy this particular video. There's not going to be end of moment. So without wasting much time, let's move ahead. So this particular website, this is the front interface. All right, this is the front interface of the website. You can see how it is. It's a perfect website for all your needs. Okay, you have this interface. Now this is the user dashboard. Right, you can see the user dashboard. You can see where it says dashboard, fund account, make investment, withdraw, and the rest of them. You can see all of that here. All right, you can see all of that here. Now moving away from there, you have all of this. Okay, you have all of the this is the user dashboard, and also there is a live chat for you to also work with. Then moving away from there, you have the admin. All right, this is the admin interface. You can see that this is the admin interface. All right, so you have all of the admin interface. So without wasting much time, now that I've shown you how this particular one works, okay, you can see where it says send mail. You can see where you can adjust the payment plan or the plans here. You can see you can also work on the withdrawal request, deposit request, manage investment, all right, user management, all right, and other settings you can also log out here. Now from the user dashboard, like I told you before, investment history, and now you can also see where you can see the working of the system. You can see the withdrawal, you can see deposit, you can see all of this from the user side, change password, security, and all of that. So this is how amazing this particular website is. Right, how this particular website is now. So now that I've showed you all of this, so the next thing I'm going to quickly show you now is how you can set up this particular website. And for those of you who are there struggling getting a particular domain name and hosting, you can as well reach out to me via the number showing in the description of this video, and I'll be glad to assist you. So in case you have any challenge regarding domain name and hosting and the rest of them, I'll tell you they are reliable web hosting for all of this project. Now that I've showed you this, now let's go ahead and begin this process. So first of all, you need to have your domain name and hosting. Okay, so you need to have your domain name and hosting. Yes, my domain name and hosting. So for this particular video, I used a folder. Sorry, I used a folder for this particular training. But then, if you are doing it for yourself or for your client, you can as well decide to have your own your cPanel. All right, you can use it on the main cPanel without going through the process of having a folder or a subdomain. But irrespective of that, it works. And aside from that, it also works on PHP version of 7.4. Okay, so I'll be showing you all of that in this video. Now let's begin. So I'll go to my domains. Here is my domain. Where are you? Here's my domain. I'll go to my domains. I'll click on create subdomain. All right, I'll just call it. Right, so I'll just call it HFF, or I'll just say hi. Let me use that. So I'll just say hi. Okay, then I'll click on create. So once I do this, all right, it's still creating. So just hold on a bit. So once it's done, I'll need to change the PHP version, then upload the file. It's very, very easy and it's straightforward. Okay, so just hold on a bit for the domain to create. All right, I think it's done. So I'll come here and type PHP, then come to PHP multi PHP manager. You can see the multi PHP manager. Click on that. All right. So once you do that, I'll go there and select the PHP version. All right, this is it. Select PHP version to what? 7.4. PHP version 7.4. Apply. All right. Apply. You can see that. So apply. Just wait for it to convert to 7.4. So once that is done, the next is for us to upload. The file. Remember, I've showed you how the admin and the user work. So I'll just go ahead and do that now. So I'll go back here. Let me close this. Okay, so it's still loading. All right, so the PHP version is 7.4 now. So I'll go back to the cPanel. Right. Then go to File Manager. You can see there, go to File Manager, right? Now from the File Manager, come to public_HTML. But then I'm using a subdomain. Look at my subdomain there. I'll open it up. Then I'll upload the file. Then let me first of all delete all this file that is there. Click on delete. Yes, delete. All right, click on delete. So now I will upload the file. Click on upload. All right, click on upload. Then click on select. Okay, so go back to my cPanel. I'll go to my cPanel and upload the file. All right, so this is the file is uploading. So while this file is uploading, let me quickly go and create my database. I'll go to database wizard. You can see it here. Database wizard is database wizard. So click on that so I'll just type it. Hi DBB. All right, let me use that next. So just wait for it to load. Right, good. So I'll still come here again. Hi DBB. All right, so still copy this. Then come here, paste it there. All right, good. So I've done that. So I'll just wait for it to upload. It's still uploading. So it's just wait for it a little. All right, so you can see the file is 100% complete. So I'll just click on go back. All right, so just come here. Next, I will extract the file. Good, I will extract the file. Extract files. All right, so you can see that. Remember, I've created my database, so I'll need to connect it. So I'll just click on close, then select this, then select all. You can see select all here, then click on move. All right, I'll move all to the subdomain I'm using, but for you, just move to your main domain. All right, so good, I've done that. All right, so you can see all the files here. So now for you to connect the database, come to account, then come to config. All right, you can see the DB, just edit. All right, edit. Okay, good. So I'll just edit this. Now remember, this is my database. I'll just copy this. All right, copy this. So I'll just come here and edit through H, through V, select all. Select this. All right, select, then save changes. Okay, you can see how easy it is. All right, so we'll just save changes. Then I'll come here, select all privileges and click on next step. All right, so this is done. Okay, this is done. Save changes. So I can close this now. All right, so now let's see this. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to phpMyAdmin, then come to phpMyAdmin. The file that we need to upload, the SQL file, is inside. You can see it here. There's the SQL file. Let's see. You can see the SQL file inside this folder. Right, inside this folder. So I'll just, the file is inside this folder. So I'll come here. All right, so I'll just click on this. So select it. This is it here. All right, good. So click on import. All right, click on choose file. All right, click on choose file, then click on, I'll just put it there. All right, so this is the file. I'll just upload. You can see that. So you just wait for it to upload. All right, you can see the database has been uploaded. Okay, so what we're going to do is to check the website to see how far we have gone. Then the next thing for you to do is to make sure you edit all of this information. Here is your admin information. If you click on this now, you have the admin information here. All right, you can see the admin information, which you can also edit. You can see the settings, you can see the users. So now let me go to the site and see how it is. So I'll just copy the link. This is the link. I'll copy this, then open a new tab and paste it there. All right, so you can see the website is up and running. It's up and running. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to create an account. All right, you can see the website is up and running. Okay, So for you to edit all of this, okay, for you to edit any part you want to edit here, is to go to the file manager. All right, here's the file manager. You can see this is the contact. If you come here now, you will see. All right, let me show you. Let me show you. You can see contact, you can see about us, you can see how to invest. So all of these are different files inside the file manager. So what we're going to do is to come over to this side. You can see how to invest. You can see contact. You can see index. The index is your home page, which is what you are seeing here. The home page is the index. So for you to edit that, you also come over to your file manager. You can see index there. Click on edit. All right, click on edit and click on edit file. All right, edit file. You can see that. You can see all the information. So you go through the file one after the other and ensure you edit. Now the last thing I will also show you here, now that I've showed you how the file works and how the admin is. So now for you to get the admin link, all right, to get the admin link, if you come over to the file now, all right, remember we are using the subdomain. This is subdomain. Let me copy. I've copied the link. Here is the link for the subdomain. Now if you come over to this side, you will see account, open account. All right, you will see uadmin. You can see uadmin here. Open it. All right, then you will see login.php. So invariably your link, your admin link now, copy this. It will be, let me just open a notepad and show you. All right, so the admin link will now be, you can see there, /login.php. Sorry, login.php. So the site, it will be https, all right, your site URL .com. So this is how to get your admin. So in my own case now, the site URL is this. So I'll copy this now. All right, copy this, then come over to this place, remove this site URL and paste this. So this is how it is now. So if I copy this is the admin link. If I copy this now and I open it and I paste it here, all right, paste it. So you see the admin link opening up. You can see that. So for me to get the admin email and password, right, you have to come to your PHP admin. You can see the information here, which you can also edit. You can see that, which you can also edit. So it's very, very easy for you to work with. Then also come to the setting. If you come to the settings, you can edit your settings there. All right, ensure to open all the files and edit them one after the other. Right, edit them one after the other. So if you come to this side now, I click on participate. Right, you can see where it says register. So if you want to register, you can see you have to fill out this information to register. All right, fill out this information to register one after the other. Now that I've showed you this, now let me show you how you can add your live chat. All right, the live chat you are seeing here, is called, this is the live chat. If you go to SmartSub, all right, you go to SmartSub. SmartSub is the live chat. All right, you can see this is the live chat here. All right, this is the live chat, SmartSub live chat. All you need to do is to click on sign up. All right, click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up. Is it login? All right, you can see this is logging me to a dashboard in SmartSub. All right, so I don't need to just go to, let me come to this and click on logout. All right, let me click on this and click on logout. So let me log out. All right, good. So once you come to this part, now you click on create account. All right, you put in your email. The email you are putting here is the email from your webmail. All right, you can see it here. You have to create an email from this webmail. All right, create an email from this webmail. Click on this. All right, you can create an email here. All right, so you click on create. You can see that create an email. So once you create an email and password, now let me show you something. If you click on create, it will ask you for the email username, and you also have to put in the password. So these are the two things you need to create your SmartSub. All right, create your SmartSub. Once you are done, follow the process to the end. Once you are done, they will give you a code. All right, you will get the code. So once you get the code, come to your file manager. All right, here the file manager. All the pages you are seeing here, all the pages you are seeing here, all right, the about us, the contact us, the how to invest, and the rest of them, all of these are different pages. So you have to come here and impute the pages, impute the link in all the pages one after the other. All right, go to the down part. You can see this is an example of a link. You copy the link and you put here. All right, they will give you instruction on how to do that. Say put it before the body. All right, put the link there and save. Automatically, the live chat will appear. Right, the live chat will appear. So this is basically how to create this kind of file and this kind of website for yourself and for your client. All right, so now that I've showed you all of this, remember I showed you the dashboard. All right, this is the admin dashboard, and this is also the user dashboard. All right, user dashboard, everything can be controlled from the admin. So now that I've showed you how to run this particular project, right, if you need access to this template for your project, just send me a DM and I'll be glad to assist you in whatever challenge you're having. Drop your comments, and if you're having any challenge, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you smash the notification bell so you always be notified for whenever you have videos like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next